Kenya's young farmers are losing millions to poor crop predictions and manual labor. But what if AA could cut costs by 40% and boost yields instantly? Here are the tools changing African agriculture. Kenya's agricultural sector employs over 40% of youth but faces low productivity and climate uncertainty. AA tools predict weather, optimize planting schedules, and detect crop diseases early. This means better harvests even for small-scale farmers with limited budgets. First, agritech apps like Plantix use AAA to diagnose crop diseases from photos in seconds. Second, Wafi and Twiga Foods provide market pricing intelligence and direct buyer connections. Third, IBM PAIRS technology forecasts rainfall and soil conditions for precision farming. Download Plantix free snap photos of sick plants for instant diagnosis. Join Twiga Foods for real-time market data. Most tools require only a smartphone and internet connection. Start with disease detection, then scale to weather forecasting. These apps literally pay for themselves through reduced crop loss. Kenyan youth using these tools report 30–50% yield improvements within one season. Join farming co-ops to share subscriptions and reduce costs. Link these tools with mobile money for seamless payments. The future of African agriculture is AI-powered, and it starts with you. Subscribe for more AI tools that solve real problems. Drop a comment, which crop do you grow? We'll find the perfect AI solution for you.